Think you need a fat bank account to drive a sports car? Think again. Today I'm showing you 5 legendary sports cars you can actually buy in the USA for under 10 grand. These cars turn heads, sound mean, and give you that pure driver's thrill without destroying your wallet. Buckle up. This is gonna be fun. First up, the Mazda MX-5 Miata. The car that proves fun doesn't need a massive engine. Lightweight, rear-wheel drive, and insanely responsive. This little roadster is like a go-kart for adults. Pop-up headlights on the early models give it that retro charm, and when you drop the top and hit a twisty road, you'll understand why car enthusiasts call it pure driving joy. And the best part? You can easily find clean examples under $8,000. It's reliable, parts are cheap, and the driving feel? Chef's kiss. If you want a convertible that actually makes you smile every time you floor it, the Miata is your ticket. Second, let's get a little louder. The Ford Mustang GT, baby. Nothing says American muscle like the rumble of a V8 at a stoplight. You can find mid-2000s GT models under $10K, and they pack 300-plus horsepower. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. You roll up in one of these and people look. The acceleration pins you to the seat, the exhaust note gives you goosebumps, and the grin on your face? Permanent. Sure, gas mileage isn't great, but come on, you're not buying this to save fuel. You're buying it to feel alive. Third on the list, the Nissan 350Z, aka the Budget Beast. This car is a drift legend and track day favorite for a reason. A V6 engine with 280-plus HP, aggressive styling, and razor-sharp handling. It's built for people who love to actually drive. The sound from the 350Z when you rev it up? Absolute music. You can find solid models for around $9,000, and with a few mods, this thing can embarrass way pricier cars. It's not just fast. It feels connected. Every corner, every downshift, it talks back to you. This is a driver's car, through and through. Next, let's add some European flair. The BMW Z4 brings sleek looks, luxury, and tight handling, all in one package. You can snag early 2000s models with a 3.0L inline-6 under $10K, and trust me, this car can move. Drop the top, hit a highway at sunset, and suddenly, you feel like the main character in a movie. Yes, maintenance costs can be a bit higher than a Miata, but the driving feel, the balance, the styling, worth it. This car turns heads at coffee meets and makes you smile on back roads. A true underrated gem. Finally, the Chevy Corvette C4. Yeah, a real Corvette. Under $10K. It's old school, it's raw, and it's a piece of American car history. These things came with V8 power, long hoods, and a cockpit that makes you feel like a fighter pilot. Sure, it's not the fastest by modern standards, but the experience? Pure muscle car magic. People will stop and stare because, come on, it's a Corvette. With a little care, these cars can deliver insane fun for dirt cheap. And the best part? You own a freaking Corvette for the price of a used Civic. So yeah, who said sports cars are only for the rich? From Japanese legends to American muscle, these 5 cars prove you can have serious fun under $10,000.
Get down to the B-side. Get down to the B-side. Get down to the B-side.